What's up, guys? Anthony with the Real American Outdoors, and a little tip if you're installing a double din aftermarket radio on your Chevy Silverado. This is a 2004 Duramax. This is probably gonna be similar for Sierras and maybe Tahoes, I'm not sure, but if you're having issues installing it and you need ignition power, so that means when you turn the key on, the radio comes on. When you turn it off, the radio goes off. I was having a major issue with it. I reused a interface from the previous single din that was installed by the previous owner. So yeah, Chinese crap radio, whatever. So what I did, I capped the, or just put a little electrical tape on it, whatever. I'm going to cut this down, of the red 12 volt ignition accessory wire from the new wiring harness, because you're not going to use that anymore. I took the red wire from the radio and I wire tied that in with the interface, if you have one, and then I took my own wire, which is right here. It can be any color you want, but I just made it red. I just ran it from back here and to come out to the left of the climate control, up and over the steering wheel, and into that little hole and onto the fuse panel. So I used a fuse tap. You can buy them at Walmart, they're like $6. So I used a fuse tap. It's a little easier to see here. This is the fuse panel on the side of the door. You can tap into the 10 amp right there. You see, look at the camera focus, 10 amp ignition. It's better if I do it this way. Right here, right by my thumb. You can tap into right there, or the top left over here, you see the 10 amp ignition 3. I actually tapped into that one with the fuse tap, and now the radio works. So, hope this helps somebody. Please check us out at RealAmericanOutdoors.com, and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and anywhere you get your podcasts. Thank you guys for watching.